You can't build a strong culture on top of silence and damage control. Every time a team unravels, we rush to offer training without asking what the environment is still protecting. The problem isn't always skill. It's silence. It's misaligned leaders. It's bad behavior getting promoted. It's employees walking on eggshells because calling out the real issue is seen as risky. Before you book another training, pause and ask, what's actually driving the mess? What are we reinforcing every day without realizing it? And what patterns keep repeating, even with new faces in the room? So tell me, what's one thing your culture still avoids?